when drones fly in complex electromagnetic environments, frequent signal interruptions, loss of control in flight. Today, I'll show you how to install this anti-interference antenna. To solve the signal problem, all you need are the base, aluminum columns, screws, and cross screwdrivers. Let's start the installation. The first step is to install the aluminum column. Install the 4 aluminum columns, and check if each aluminum column is installed firmly. The second step is to install the base. The third step, install the anti-interference antenna. Fix it with a nut. The fourth step is to connect the antenna. Check and adjust. Next, we will conduct a flight test. Under the effect of the anti-interference antenna, flies smoothly.